If you want to get a 4:5 ratio in CapCut, I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to set it up properly, so your video is ready for Instagram, Facebook, and other portrait-friendly platforms. This is a super useful edit because the 4:5 format gives you more vertical screen space than a standard square video, while still keeping your content nicely framed for mobile viewers. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut and look directly below the player preview window. This is where CapCut keeps the aspect ratio controls, and it's the first place you need to check before exporting. By default, your project may be set to original or 16:9, which is more of a widescreen format. Since we want a 4:5 portrait layout, we need to change that manually. Now click the Ratio drop-down button. Once the menu opens, scroll all the way down and select Custom. This is the option that gives you full control over your canvas size, which is exactly what you need if you want a precise 4:5 format instead of a preset ratio. When you choose Custom, CapCut will let you enter your own width and height values. Next, enter 1080 for the width and 1350 for the height. This is the standard resolution for a 4:5 portrait layout, and it's the ideal size if you want your video to look clean and properly sized on social media. The 1080 by 1350 canvas gives you that taller vertical frame without stretching or cropping your content in the wrong way. Once you've typed in both values, click Confirm to apply the new ratio to your project. After that, take a moment to play back the video and review everything carefully. This part is really important because changing the canvas ratio can affect how text, stickers, images, and other critical graphics appear on screen. Make sure all your important elements stay inside the new 4:5 boundaries, and if anything feels too close to the edges, reposition it before you export. That way, your final video looks polished and nothing gets cut off when it's uploaded. Once you've checked the layout and everything looks good, click Export in the top right corner. When the export settings appear, keep the resolution at Custom or 1080 by 1350 frame canvas. This makes sure your video exports in the correct 4:5 format and keeps the quality consistent. Then go ahead and finish the export process. And that's it. You've now set your CapCut project to a 4:5 ratio the right way. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and now your video is ready for a vertical feed with the proper dimensions. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.